guys, what is poppin'? Today we are going to be doing this beautiful look that I came up with. It is a silver gunmetal type of looking look with some pops of colors. You know, I had to incorporate some color into this look. We are going to be using the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette today. So I'm excited to come up with this look and show you how I got it. I kind of let creativity take over and had no idea what I was doing and came up with this. Now I'm starting off with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Natural Beige. You guys know I love this concealer. Always use it as my eye primer to blend my shadows on top of, just because it's really beautiful, to be honest. Now I'm dipping into the shade Tanacon. This is going to be our main transition color slash base color. I wanted to lay this down to really add the shadows on top and have it blend really smoothly. You don't really end up seeing this color at the end, but it still is there and it still lays out a base for you to lay other shadows on top of. Now I'm dipping into the shade Diet Root Beer. This is the warmer, darker shade version of Tanacon. So I'm winging it out kind of at the edge of my eye and then slowly with windshield wiper motions bringing it in to my crease. You can be really messy with this. It's not that big of a deal. It's not our main color. It's not a dark color. It is not a bold color. So you don't have to worry about that. Kind of just fluff it out, you know, really set a base for the shadows that are to come. Now I'm going in with my rides here with this more precise, small, fluffy, but very small, precise brush. And I'm going to start off by taking the outer edge and really packing it on. Now, this black is pigmented, so you have to be careful with it because it can get everywhere. As you see, there is fallout under the eye, but that is expected when there is pigment in an eyeshadow. So I'm blending that out, kind of bringing it up to my crease slowly, but not too far high. And then I'm going back with the shade Tanacon and blending out the edges so that there are no harsh lines, especially with a black. You gotta blend because that's all that is really required. Now I'm going back with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I'm going to start off by doing the Halo cut crease. I'm not the best when it comes to cut creases on camera. I think I did pretty good in this one, a lot better than I normally do. So I'm just cutting the crease, of course, and starting off from the middle because it is a halo cut crease, and then slowly edging it out to the other sides of my crease, almost covering the whole lid but not really taking it all the way in the inner corner because you won't need to since the shadow is gonna form the halo eye. And now I'm going to be bringing it down and making sure I cover that whole lid space over there. I started off bigger in the crease and I'm kind of bringing it down and inching the concealer, I guess, closer together to my lash line, but both sides. I don't know if that's I don't know. Now I'm dipping in with the shade Diet Root Beer. It is this beautiful silver color. I loved it. I actually did like the pigment on this, but I don't know. I would like my brush to have picked up the pigment better than it actually did. I think maybe a wet brush would have done better, but it was still a very beautiful and very pigmented shade. So I'm just building that up again and again to really have this very intense silver payoff because, like I said, we're going full on gunmetal. I really wanted that silver to pop. So doing that, and then I'm dipping into Sleep Paralysis with the other side of the same brush. And now I'm going to be basically using this color to sandwich the silver color and the black, my rides here color, together. So I kind of wanted it to be a nice transition, and the fact that Sleep Paralysis was kind of I guess black and silvery toned really played in my favor and putting the two colors together because it blended like a dream. Now going out and intensifying the shade My Rides Here out the outer corner, bringing it into the crease, really intensifying the whole thing. Right now, I know it looks like a mess, but I promise it gets much better and we will clean it up. Now I'm going in with my inner corner with the shade My Rides Here once again. My eyes started watering because my eyes are very sensitive and cannot take any eyeshadow. But you know what I do? I still go ahead and put on some eyeshadow on my lids. Now I'm going back with my finger with the shade, I believe it was Diet Cola, and putting that on the middle as the halo eye, but then also kind of dragging it out, kind of blending it in with Sleep Paralysis, like I said, so everything goes smoothly. And now I'm dipping in with the shade Tanacon Diet Root Beer, mixing that together and just blending everything out since that it really was my transition shade. And then I'm going back with the shade Just Tanacon and I'm blending this out. Like I said, it is black. You need to blend. That is all this look really is, blending. The colors kind of did mush up together, but I kind of did want that. I didn't want each color to kind of, you know, go too crazy. Now I'm going in with the Mia Adora Unshakable Liner. Now this liner does have a felt tip. I'm more of a fan of brush tips, but I don't know, something about this liner just gets me. It is really bomb, I've got to say. It was very precise. It had a lot of ink. I loved it. I enjoyed using this eyeliner a lot. This was my first time using it, and I do have a code 20% off. You can use code Merrily to get 20% off your purchase. I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to purchase this liner. The only thing is that if you do like matte eyeliner, you do have to go over this with matte black eyeshadow because it is a little shiny, but it is very precise and it really does do the job. Now I'm taking my makeup remover wipe and just wiping off all the excess fallout under my eye. There was quite a bit of fallout, winging out the eyeliner and also the eyeshadow and kind of just making everything sharp. This is what really cleaned it up. Now, I wanted a nice pop of color in the inner corner, a nice ray of sunshine, rise and shine, and I'm taking that and putting it inside my inner corner. The Shade Food videos, I didn't mention that, but I'm taking the Shade Food videos and really intensifying this. Like, I kept building and blending this thing out because this was the star of the show, in my opinion. I really think this pulled the whole look together and really made it awesome, not gonna lie. So, taking that and just building that up together. Now I'm taking the shade Flaming Hot with this very precise but fluffy brush, and I'm intensifying that on the lower lash line. Like I said, I wanted some pops of color because the eyes were so, I guess, sultry and black, so you kind of want, I wanted to have some fun and do some pop of color. You don't have to do a pop of color, of course. You can just go the black, nice, dark route, but I did enjoy how this look turned out, and I really did feel like the pops of colors really brought the look together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you recreate this tutorial, or I hope it maybe gave you some inspiration. That is it, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye! Love you guys.